Beyond the Rocks was restored by the Netherlands Film Museum in 2005. This challenging restoration was carried out in collaboration with Hague Film Laboratories. Considered lost for several decades, Beyond the Rocks resurfaced reel by reel from a large private collection deposited at the Netherlands Film Museum in 2000. The last reel of an almost complete nitrate print of Beyond the Rocks was found in 2004. Nitrate film can last 100 years and longer if stored properly at the right temperature and relative humidity. Unfortunately, most private collections, like the one containing Beyond the Rocks, are not stored in proper conditions. In the case of Beyond the Rocks, nevertheless, only 2 short sequences were so heavily damaged that they could not be restored. Beyond the Rocks was restored using both digital and photochemical techniques. The first step in the digital restoration process was the stabilization of the image. Mainly due to the shrinkage of the nitrate print, the image would shake on the screen if not corrected. It is possible to correct this problem with digital tools. Even after stabilization, the image is not rock steady. Indeed, a slight image instability is part of the original appearance of a silent film. The following example shows the second step in the digital restoration process: dust removal. In this step, scratches and damages are removed from the image. As you will see in the next example, dust removal is one of the most delicate operations in digital restoration. Computer software can easily misread the image and remove part of it by mistake. This example shows how a fast-moving object, such as the dog in this sequence, can be removed as if it were a scratch. Parts of the dog are mistakenly removed together with the real scratches and other kind of damages. Therefore, dust removal, like all automated operations, should be monitored very closely. The original tints of the nitrate film were obtained using a photochemical method, known as the Desmet method, from the name of its inventor, Noël Desmet. Only 2 colors are present in the film. Most scenes are tinted orange, and a few night scenes are blue. For an 80-year-old film, Beyond the Rocks is now having a quite remarkable distribution. The film was shown in May 2005 on 13 Dutch screens, with 3 film prints and 10 digital projections. It was presented at several festivals, including Cannes, London, New York, and the Film Museum Biennale in Amsterdam. The work and support of many people have made this restoration possible.